From the secretariat to the streets, Arvind Kejriwal and his cabinet colleagues on more familiar ground. Kejriwal and his ministers were trying to reach the Home Ministry to sit on dharna, pressing for action against some police officials on Monday morning. But he didn't reach there as he was blocked by a police barricade near the Rail Bhavan. Initially, the Delhi CM remained in his car, but soon sat in protest, saying he will remain there for 10 days, running his government from the streets till his demand is met, even going to the extent of calling himself an anarchist.
कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं मैं अनार्किस्ट हूँ, मैं अव्यवस्था फैला रहा हूँ, मैं मानता हूँ कि मैं अनार्किस्ट हूँ, मैं अव्यवस्था फैला रहा हूँ, लेकिन आज इस देश के हर घर के अंदर अव्यवस्था फैली हुई है, इतनी महंगाई हो गई कि घर का खर्चा नहीं चलता।
The police and AAP activists exchanged heated words, even some pushing and shoving several times through the day. In fact, a minor clash broke out when the police stopped the use of loudspeakers at the dharna, with the party alleging that the police roughed up one of their legislators. Kejriwal blamed the centre, PM and Home Minister for the situation and said if any untoward incident takes place, the centre would be to blame. He vehemently attacked the Delhi police and asked honest policemen to take leave and join him in protest.
बहुत सारे पुलिस वाले अच्छे हैं, हम अच्छे पुलिस वालों की कदर करते हैं। फिर आज यहाँ से मैं पुलिस वालों से भी ऐलान करना चाहता हूँ, ये देश केवल मेरा नहीं है जी, ये देश आपका भी है। जितने लोग सुन रहे हैं उनसे निवेदन है, अगले 5-6 दिन की छुट्टी ले लेना और आप भी हमारे साथ शामिल हो।
The Delhi CM has launched his agitation to demand the suspension of at least 2 ACPs and 3 SHOs at the instance of his ministers Somnath Bharti and Rakhi Birla. The police imposed prohibitory orders on Sunday in the New Delhi area. Roads to India Gate were blocked off and there was heavy security in the area. Kejriwal's defiance led to many citizens being inconvenienced. 4 metro stations had to be shut down for the day. There have been several traffic snarls across central Delhi.
यहाँ पे बंद कर दिया, बाहर आने वालों के लिए तो चलो फिर भी ठीक है, लेकिन अंदर जाने वालों को तो जाने देना चाहिए ना। टाइम का इतना, और कल से बताते तो कोई फायदा भी था, एकदम अनाउंसमेंट कर रहे हैं।
मैं अपना लेक्चर मिस करने वाला, अपने टेस्ट मिस करने वाला हूँ, और मेरे को बहुत सारे असाइनमेंट्स देने थे, वो मैं कोई सबमिट नहीं कर पाऊंगा टाइम पे, जिससे मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है।
The Aam Aadmi Party has used street politics to ascend to power in Delhi, and it seems to have gone back to the basics as the general elections approach. But shouldn't Kejriwal and those who elected him wonder if he is an anarchist? Why is he in office? And what about inconveniencing the Aam Aadmi? With inputs from Rajesh Raj, Bureau Report, DD News.